We're going to do some Bagua basic exercises, so-called circle walking or palm boxing. The hand must be like this. The fingers are pointing outwards, but the center of the palm is pulling inwards. So we have this hand with the fingers spread and open, contracting to the center. And then basic hand practice is this. The palms turn over. So you stand with the feet shoulder width and a half apart. The hands are moving on the center line. One hand extended, the other hand comes on top and changes value. So the back hand is coming across your forearm, in line with your head, and the wrist in line with the top of the shoulder. And the other hand is coming down here, level with your heart. Moving on the center line of the body. Then, as we do that, we're going to turn the waist. So rise, overturn, and fall. Rise, overturn, and fall. So the weight is shifting from one foot to the other. As you turn the waist, it shifts your center line. Now we're going to do a little exercise to harmonize yin and yang. The legs are going to do this. So from here, we do the arm movement, and the legs go with it. Try to keep in one place or move as little as possible. When we walk, arms outstretched, the hands pulled back and sink the chest. The weight should be on one leg only at any point in time. So when you step, no weight. What we don't want is this. So we suspend from the center. Extend the arms, pull the hands up, elbows down, sink the chest. No double weighting. If we walk like this, it's double weighting. The weight is not just on one foot. So we want to suspend, like from a skyhook, above the head, through the body and into the earth. So at any one time, the weight only moves into one foot.